morning, guys. My name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And today I'm gonna warn you about how to charge the battery of your BMW. This is my daughter-in-law, her F800 GT. The bike was almost finished. Well, I was just doing the last bits. It was on a charger. I used the accessory socket. But guys, whoa, be careful with that. I am never ever going to charge a BMW, its battery, through that ACC socket. Because what happened? Well, so as I told you, at one moment I was just fiddling around and then doing all kinds of things, and I needed to get the bike on ignition, so I put it on ignition. And I have no idea at that moment what went wrong. But suddenly I got all kinds of warnings. The electronic suspension wasn't suddenly not working anymore. ABS not working anymore. So I thought, holy macaroni. What can I do? First thing I do, always, I took the Motorscan app, got the Bluetooth interface onto it, opened the Motorscan app with my phone, and then I went to the Zfe, because that's the main module in this bike. It has all the different functions and communicates through CAN bus with all the different modules. The dashboard, the alarm system, the electronic suspension, the ABS. So that was my first thought, holy shit, something is wrong over there. I took the Motorscan app, made contact with the Zfe, that module. Guys, I didn't get any contact with the ABS module, not with the electronic suspension. So, and I couldn't program anything anymore. I tried some little changes, so to see if there was any communication, but what I found out, the Zfe module was dead, because when you charge your battery of your bike through that ACC socket, it's the Zfe module that sort of regulates it in one way or another. That was a problem. So I contacted first the maker of the Motorscan app, and he provided me with a lot of hints and tips and very good, guys, very good. But yeah, it's always difficult from just through email. So, but nothing worked. Nothing worked. Tried everything he said. Tried to reset, tried to put a backup onto it, which you can with the Motorscan app. Me and my son had an emergency meeting to see what the options were. Well, the only option was to get a second-hand Zfe module, but exactly for this bike. So the same part number, the same high-low version. I got my hands on a second-hand Zfe module. from the same bike with the same part number, everything. I put it inside this bike, but damn, it came from a bike that didn't have the electronic suspension onto it. So then you have to go to a dealer. My son tried a few BMW dealers surrounding here, but none of them wanted to do just only the programming. They all said, yeah, too difficult and blah blah blah, buy new Zfe module, yeah. Eventually we found a dealer, biker in Eindhoven. And they got this mechanic, Tim, and guys, he did everything perfect, absolute. He got this bike on the dealer computer and he reprogrammed the Zfe module with everything that was on this bike, and even with the right VIN number, because every module in the bike has the same VIN. It belongs to this bike. But that Zfe module we got had another VIN number into it. But Tim programmed it and and guys, everything is now back to normal. So my warning for you guys is, whenever you charge your BMW, charge it directly onto the poles of your battery. Don't do it through the Zfe module, because in a rare case it can go wrong. And we fried it one way or another. So guys, this was my video. I hope you learned a few things. And if you did, well, subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. See you the next time. And for now, old mechanic out.